Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Devongunsmith Diaries, and today we're going to do the gun fit alteration on an AYA number 25. So let's get into it. If you enjoy the content, don't forget, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. I like doing work on these Spanish guns. They've got all the feel of the Old English. So, short answer, customer came in with clear directions. This score line here is where he wants it to finish. And I think that on the worksheet, it's 328mm length of pull, reshape and checker to match. So it's a length of pull adjustment, basically. So we'll get set up for that then. Okay, well, we don't tape this because we're going to be finishing it. I normally tape it to stop breakout. Well, it doesn't matter because we're going to finish this completely anyway. So it's just a matter of sawing it up. Okay, so that is very approximately with a very shallow centre heel. Just got to take a little bit of profile off to shape, and I'm going to do that with a power file with 120 grit, and I'm just going to do that profile by hand. I won't do it on camera because it's too difficult to set up for. I just want to get on with the job. This is actual real-time work as well, so we'll get into that now. Correction, they're 180 grit. Okay, so I've not put too much rocker on this at the moment. There and here, because I just wanted to get the dimensioning correct first. Right, that's about right there on the centre. So I've got the depth right now, and now I can take some rocker down here now. So that line is about right, and just increase the rocker so that it looks similar to that. You can see it will do. It's just a matter of shaping these sides more, so they're, as you can see on this one, they're quite pronounced. So I'm going to take that down. I'm probably going to use the orbital for that. It's a little bit more accurate. And I'll leave the camera running, but I won't be focusing too much on keeping the camera happy, if you get my drift. now for the checkering. Okay, so there's some, it's hard to catch them in the light. Just starting those lines off. Don't like doing it in front of the camera, it's too off-putting. So just making a start on the checkering lines. They end up in a diamond shape, obviously, and just working on those at the moment. But I will do this off camera because I really can't be doing with the distraction. Just give it a quick wipe to get all the dust and rubbish out of it, and you can actually see some of the checkering then as it forms. There we go. Some of it just starting to form here. I can't get the focus on it. Looks rough as badger's what's it at the moment, but it takes time to get that end grain. It's always a pain. It's the hardest part, but you can see it starting to form there. We're getting there anyway. Okay, as the job progresses, it gets a little better. Occasionally you go off the line and you miss a bit. My eyes are getting terrible now. So you've got to clean it up again. You sometimes run it through with a single cutter just to get it affected. This is a triple that I'm running through here. Focus, can't focus on it, can you? Oh. There you go, it's a triple, which tends to keep them fairly uniform. And yeah, we're getting there. It's a bit of a run off there. I've got to correct, and that's only in the guidelines, so I can trim it out. But yeah, it sometimes makes your eyes go cross-eyed. That's all I can say. Right, so moment of truth. There's a bit something there I need to sort out, but it's generally okay. Just gonna try something. See how it looks. Not too bad. Not perfect at the moment, but we'll see. Right, tired now. The effort's quite a lot in terms of a bit of cleaning up to do there. This is one of those less is more situations, but I need to check the checkering I've done, pardon the pun, and correct any bits that are out. But you need to get a bit of oil in there so you can see how good or bad it is actually. Yeah, there's a little bit there I need to tidy up, but on the whole, not too bad actually. That'll do. Okay, so we'll just put a bit of oil on, as you saw earlier, and just give that a little bit of a clean up, as in remove more that you've left in there. We don't want it staying like that. Just a little bit of oil will do. That's okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So what I need to do now is to obviously give the rest of the stock a touch of oil, just to wake it up a little bit. So one drop will do. Put it on my thumb, I think. Right, this is again, less is more, so I need to just take off that tiny, it's in only a drop, take off that tiny bit of excess so that I can rub it in properly. yeah, that will need a little burnish, and obviously I'll carry on with that as time goes on. But for now, can you even see it? Can't see. Focus. There you go. There it is. A bit more oiling. I'll do that off camera. Thanks, guys.